Hello guys, and today I'm doing what's in my book bag for back to school. It's not school yet, but I also have something in from Clears if you didn't watch my Clears opening back to school. I don't want you to see me. That's why I put my camera on the wall. Okay. I'm going into 5th grade. Not gonna tell you where. Sorry, my mom called. Okay, so we have 5 notebooks. Well, not notebooks, but whatever they're called. Notebooks. 5 of them. My mom didn't know if we needed one of these, so she just bought one. I got this, my pencil case. Can you see it? Can you see it, Kitty? It's probably really dark, I'm sorry. This is just as much. It's a cat. And then I have 5 folders. Pokemon! Stripes. Cat, that was 4 folders. Pokemon! Filler paper. Black pens. And 2 binders. Jesus, I can't say. Glue. Pencil cap erasers. And that's that. That's it for inside my book bag. I'll put it up.